what's up, YouTube? I'm here with my sister, Alicia, that is a man, for some reason. And I just got shot. Everybody. So, let me get my car.
I hate this guy. I'm on my
Coming.
way.
So, yeah. We're going to be playing free roam today. We're probably going to be sniping a lot of people.
Kill Bob.
We're probably going to be racing a lot too. We're probably going to be finding some hidden areas that aren't made yet. Wait, let me get a gun right quick.
What the heck? It's like exploding in. It's so weird.
Okay, so yeah, we're going to be doing some of that. And I also have my sister Tana here with me.
Hey, mate.
Oh God, I'm sorry. I tried to jump. So I have my sister Tana here. And my sister Alicia, that is male for some reason. And we're going to be going and sniping a lot of people. So I'm going to be on ground. You two can be up in the air. So let's go. I know a good place we can go. Follow me. So, yeah, commentary. GG.
Ah, come on.
You might be able to hear my sister and my other sister here, the ones that are YouTubing with me, because we're legit next to each other.
Are you kidding me? You're kidding me.
Who?
But I'll wait here for you.
I'm at the store.
Okay, guys, I'm just gonna have to go by my,
Self?
Yeah. Where are you going? Like, where are we supposed to go?
The store.
I got you.
Meet me at the store.
Hey, I'm gonna get it.
Alicia, where are you?
That's the sound of the police. That's the sound of the beast.
What?
That's the sound of the police.
The heck?
That's the sound of the
Lee? What the heck?
Follow me. I'm sorry.
What the heck? The store sings that's the sound of the police.
What's up? Where are you?
I'm coming. Go, Canada.
Like, if you glitch, it says, whoop, whoop, that's the sound of the police.
Yeah, if you type in /police, that's what's gonna play, so.
Tanner, your motorcycle goes very fast.
I'm gonna do that.
I know.
Your motorcycle.
Look, let me type.
Just,
Okay. Slash
where you at?
po.
Crap, where are you?
How does one?
What are you doing?
Nothing.
Not you.
May, where the heck are you guys?
I was
Right in
before.
front.
Like,
Junior.
right in front of the car.
We're literally right in front of you.
Hey, bro.
Hello, dear. Why are you walking all over my car?
Drive me to Walmart.
Make me.
Follow me. So y'all sniping people too? I'm sniping people. I parked my car somewhere.
Shoot me in my car.
Shoot people then.
My thing over here.
Oh my lord, I'm almost dead.
I am just fine. I'm going up here. Where are y'all?
This thing lifts cars up.
I
Duh.
know. What the heck, Alicia?
What? This is in the police. Kill a lot of people.
Make sure you're...
Somebody killed me. Oh Lord, no.
Hey, why is everybody talking on the elevator?
Come on, guys.
People just flip
I'm
me
killing
over.
people.
People literally just flip me
This is bad. I've killed a lot of people.
over. Respawn.
I've only killed one person.
Are you kidding me?
And my car has glitched. Nice.
How many times am I gonna die?
Hope you're liking the video so far.
Yeah,
Stunts. So, how y'all be? So, if you want to see more videos like this, I will be getting more content shortly.
Who died?
No, I did. But I couldn't back. Okay, so if y'all want to see more things like this, if y'all want to see a series of this, in the series of me dying a lot.
It's about time.
Whoa, glitches. Okay. This game has a lot of glitches. So, Leisha, what the freak?
Where are you? I will kill you.
Hey, dude, you should stand still.
The heck?
Oh, did I kill him?
I killed
Kill
Leisha.
me.
I killed Leisha.
Don't worry, Alicia, I'm gonna get him for you.
The heck is wrong with y'all?
Okay, I'll kill this guy with fire.
That sounds wrong.
Hey, y'all know where I am?
No.
Good.
Wait, are you on top of the store?
Nah. I ain't nowhere near the store. I see you. Careful, I'm gonna shoot you while you're up there.
Wait, don't shoot me yet. Why did I say yet?
You just got really lucky just now. I was so close to shooting
You just want to go around and snipe a lot of people? Okay, get on the sniper tower that I'm trying to get in. And we'll snipe a lot of people. Jumping Quartito. If one needs to jump, why does one not? I'm sniping people. I'm never gonna give you away. So I'm sniping people. I got the sniper and everything. I need some mullahs. Parts. Excuse me. That's a sound. Oh my lord! I took. Screw me. The heck, Tana? What the heck is wrong with you? I fell through the world.
Wow, bro. How did you do that?
I went under the lift.
Oh, there's more people I can kill. Has nobody found me yet? Are you serious?
Wait, are you at the barracks?
No. Did you find me? If it's right far, it's not me. Did you find me?
Hey, y'all, you want to race? Y'all want to race? Tana, do y'all want to race?
I've killed so many people from this area.
I'm racing.
This is where I was.
Oh my lord. I'm racing. Slash.
Hey, do you think it's like actually recording your voice?
Yeah, it is.
Are you sure?
Next race is. Yeah. It's actually recording. So if you hear my sisters talking about is it actually recording their voice, it's because I have a new screen recorder and I'm recording on my phone.
Somebody killed me.
What?
Yeah.
What the heck? I gotta move.
Science.
I could not.
So when I start racing, this is where I'm gonna start out
You
at
saw us.
in
At least you
255
moved away when you
seconds.
came over here.
Hey guys, I'm racing.
Good for you. I'm going up here.
We need to build a wall.
Bro, are you constipated?
Yes.
She's like, yeah, try
I
it.
don't like it. It's like you're trying to push the poop out.
Push, push, woman, push.
Is there like a cargo? Are they giving birth?
Yes. Oh my lord. I'm done.
Where y'all? Where are y'all?
Killing people.
I am on top of the world. Where the...
We're going to this big mountain beside the store.
Okay.
Okay. So thank you guys for watching. This has been the video. I will continue a new video in a few seconds. And yeah. See ya.